felt I was unrecognizable to myself. I saw my reflection in a window and didn't know my own face. Oh brother, you're gonna leave me wasting away on the streets of Philadelphia. Avenues on my way, felt like stone. I heard voices of friends vanished and gone. I hear the blood in my veins.